Hello everyone. In this lecture, you will learn about the learning management system. This lecture will cover the following points. What is an LMS? What are its main features? What are the various types of an LMS? What are the advantages and challenges of using an LMS? And what are the most popular ones? So let's jump into what is an LMS. A learning management system is a software used to design, execute, and evaluate a learning process, as it facilitates the distribution of material, monitoring student participation, and evaluating student achievements. Through the LMS, students can engage in conversations, video conferencing, and discussion forums. In its most basic form, the LMS consists of two components, a server and a user interface. The server in e-learning performs essential functions such as creating, managing, and delivering courses. It also serves as a data repository for key information on a learner's journey and performance. On the other hand, the user interface is an easily accessible interface for instructors, administrators, and learners to interact with the LMS. To have an effective LMS, it should have the following feature. First, it should have a responsive design, a user-friendly interface, flexible reporting and analytics, and this helps accurately assessing the effectiveness of a learning program. Also, it should have a course management system, as this allows administrators and teachers to create and oversee course material for more specialized learning experience. Also, we should note that LMS integration capabilities allows the merging of useful data from other software with that of the LMS. Also, it should support various assessment tools to allow the teacher to give instant feedback to their students. Moreover, scheduling tools allow the instructor to provide their students with times for learning session and deadlines for assignments and projects. Also, automated alerts and notifications that keep the teachers and coordinators informed of student progress by sending auto alerts to students about the important course dates and inform the teacher of student completion rates. Learning management system can be categorized in a variety of ways, but the most two common classifications are cloud-based versus self-hosted, and open source versus closed source. So let's start with the first classification. A cloud-based LMS is hosted on a cloud, while the self-hosted is an LMS that is installed on the user's servers. As for the second classification, the open source LMS is an LMS that is distributed for free with no license cost. In addition, it allows the user to design a fully customized learning environment, while the closed source LMS is an LMS that has a closed code, so assessing requires subscriptions and license fees. And in addition, any customization requires the LMS provider to do it. Let's move to the advantages of using an LMS. Accessibility, as the learner has the right to access the learning material and course anytime and anywhere. Also, consistency, as the LMS offers a standardized and consistent learning experience for all learners, ensuring that everyone receives the same quality of instruction. Efficiency and reduced cost, as the course material can be created, distributed, and updated quickly and easily, and reducing cost for the learner, instructors, and organizations. Tracking and reporting is an important advantage, as it allows the instructor to track the learner's progress and performance and allow generating reports to measure the learning outcomes. Also, customization. Any LMS can be customized to meet the needs of a specific learner or organization. And also, central learning, as the LMS provides a centralized platform for learners to assess course material, resources, and assessment. Also, personalized learning is an important point to consider, as it allows learners to learn at their own pace and choose the content that is relevant to their needs, interests, and learning styles. Also, improved collaboration through discussion forums, chat rooms, and other interactive features. Regarding the challenges of using an LMS, we can find that we can face technical challenges as the LMS requires technical infrastructure such as servers, database, and network connectivity. Also, it reduces the interaction. We have limited interaction using the LMS as it affects the traditional classroom setting and reducing the opportunities for group discussions. Cost. Implementing an LMS can be expensive, especially for smaller organizations or institutions with limited resources. Also, the LMS has a learning curve. It may require for both instructors and learner, requiring them to be more familiar with the unfamiliar technology. It should also be noted that a lack of motivation without the social and interactive aspects of traditional classroom setting to engage with course material and complete assignments. Sometimes the LMS can introduce a limited flexibility as it can be restrictive in the terms of customization and integration with other systems. And finally, the maintenance and upkeep. The LMS requires ongoing maintenance, updates, and upgrades, which is costly and time-consuming. Overall, an LMS is a software application that offers a complete educational framework for students with several learning resources like online content, videos, documents, and several evaluation and communication tools. With LMS, the institution can easily set up a learning process using appropriate content and distribute, track, and manage the entire delivery procedure of educational content very quickly and efficiently. And now we'll go through the most well-known examples of learning management systems such as Moodle, Blackboard, Canvas, Edmodo, Adobe Captivate Prime, Schoology, and Brightspace. Some of these LMS are popular in high schools, others are popular in higher education, and some are popular in corporate training. At this point, we have reached the end of our lecture. Before you go, we have some questions for you to think about. Which challenge is hindering you from depending more on the LMS in your daily learning routine? And what is your suggestion to overcome this challenge? Please post your responses on the LMS discussion forum so that we can reflect together. Finally, here are the references. You can check them for a more detailed information. Thank you for your attention.